Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and oh my gosh, I have a haul for you. So I took everything because I had multiple boxes. So let's go ahead and get into it. I first wanted to start off, I'm doing an embossing bingo, which unfortunately it is closed now, but I've got all the embossing powders are going to be there. We're working on embossing powders. We're working on embossing paste. It is going to be a fun time. If you did not hear about my class, then you are not either opening my email or you're not on my email list. So get on my email list. I will put a link down below so you can see. It's going to be in the description. And I picked up 2 of these, what are they called? Oh, the gingham ribbon. So I picked up 2 because I love it and I go through it so much. And we're getting into card making season for Christmas cards. So of course I packed up on the essentials, some liquid glue. Can never have enough of that. Again, doing the embossing, which means I got to get some Versamark. I have some clear envelopes. I love the clear envelopes. It's fun to send cards off with that. I have a class coming up, an apple harvest class. That's going to be in October. So if you buy that this month, you will get in on my apple harvest class at the end of October. And then also the Perfect Partners dies that are available this month. I got those. And so these 2 go together. When you buy them together, you save 10%. So I love that. I've got a bunch of classic matte dots, and I've got those so that I could send them out as my free gift for people who purchased from me in a order of $50 or more. Get that, or well, I'm sorry, it was $75 or more. Got that one. My embossing additions toolkit, very cool. It comes with some tweezers. It comes with a embossing plate. It comes with the embossing buddy as well. It is very cool. All right, what else do we have here? This is Stampin' Emboss Powder 2-pack. Okay, I am going to have to re-look at that. I picked it up, and I want to make sure that... Is that powder? Oh, yes, it is powder. That is the shimmery white, I believe, and a bronze color, perhaps. I'm going to have to look at that one. I also picked up the Hello Harvest and Rustic Pumpkins. They go with each other. That is going to be in my card club that starts in October. I'm currently taking signups for that, and I will put the link in the description as well. And with that card club, I will be using these guys, which are called the Craft Gift Box. So very cool. You get to make some cards that go in this box. It's a really cool class. I'm super excited to be having it. And then moving forward with the card club. And then I got this one. It is the Hello Friend project kit. So I picked that up. I wanted to see how that goes. And it is a heat embossing project kit. So, oh, I bet that's the embossing that goes with that. That's why I didn't know much about it. I bet that little embossing piece is part of the kit. So I can't wait. Let's just look at this, shall we? Okay. It has some little cards here. It comes with the envelopes, the bases, the thread, some little sequins, some little teeny tiny cute paper clips, some more sequins on a string there, some copper twine, and then let's see here. We've got instructions in all the different languages, and then it shows you the cards here as well. So very cute. I cannot wait to use this. And who knows, that might be in my embossing class. We will see. All right, beauties, I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.